In this video, we are going to see how to building a sequence for video editing. I go to File menu and choose New. In the New Document dialog box, I choose Film and Video section and select HDTV 1080 pixel 1920 into 1080 pixels. I leave all the default settings and color profile set to don't color manage and I click create button. Now the sequence is ready and I go to edit menu and choose preferences. Here I choose interface. In the interface option, I set font size to large and I click scale UI to font and click OK. In the timeline panel, click the switch create video timeline. Now the sequence is ready with one layer 0. Laterally, I can delete this. You can set timeline frame rate. Click this menu option and choose set timeline frame rate. You can set any frame rate you want and click custom. If you set any frame rate more than 60, but I choose 23.9. This is the frame rate suitable to my video and click OK. Now I want to save the document, so go to File menu and choose Save and choose Save on your computer. Here I named Edit and click Save button. Now I want to add videos to my sequence, so I click this plus icon and I choose folder number 3, batch renaming files, and I want to select all of the videos and click open. Now the videos are loading. Now the layer 0 track renamed to video group 1. This is video group. You can see in the layers panel. You can collapse and expand it. This is the first track. You can easily rearranging the clips order. Select a clip and drag wherever you want. Now I want to add a music track to this sequence. So I click this plus button in the audio track and once again I go back and here select a music folder and select this music and click open. The audio is added to the track, but it doesn't appear in the layers panel. It only appears in the audio track. You also had commands and markers. I select here and click on commands and OK. Now you can see the marker add to that place and I want to add here. So I click this little dot and click OK. Now the second marker add to this place and I want to add third one and click OK. If you place the cursor on video track, the cursor changed to double N arrow and bracket key and click once. You can adjust the clip. It is easily snapped to markers and release the mouse button. Automatically all the clips are rearranged and click and drag it. It is automatically snapped to that marker. You can't see the snap. Go to view menu and turn on snap here. I'll select this one and pull here. Now that video is trimmed and automatically adjust all of the other clips. Select the clip and drag wherever you want. Now the timeline is extended. Now you can move and drag the clip. And you can mute all of the tracks globally, or you can mute audio track individually. Now you can add transition effect between the clips. Click this transition button, and I want to add fade with black. Click and drag here and release the mouse button. Now you can see the transition is applied here, and I want to play it. You can see the beginning is very dark and is slowly fade out and enter the scene. You can extending the transition time. Click and drag it. Now the transition is extended, or right click here and you can set the duration using the slider. Now I want to add a crossfade effect between those clips. Click this transition button and choose crossfade and drag and drop here. While dropping, you can see a square box appeared across two clips, and release my mouse button. Now the crossfade effect is applied. You can extend the time of the transition. You can see I extend 2 seconds and release my mouse. I want to check it. Okay, it is very smooth animation. Now I want to go to end of the track, and here I want to apply fade with black again. Now press play button. It is very nice to finish. And another one thing, if you click on this little arrow button, you can set clip duration. I set to 6 seconds. Now the duration of the clip is decreased. Now I want to play the clip from the beginning, and I drag playhead to that position and click play button. Now the video plays very fast, like time-lapse video, and now I increase the duration, and I want to decrease the speed now. Again I drag the playhead to that beginning and I click play button. The video is very slow to play. It is slow motion. Whether you are looking to adjust the transition or video clip speed is very easy to do. Finally, I want to make some complex sequence. So I go at the beginning and select this clip. Click this little arrow. Here you can adjust the volume of the audio, and you can set fade in effects and fade out effects. Also you can mute the audio. Now I want to mute. Click this radio button and I want to play it. You can see now the audio is muted. Now I want to turn it on, and I want to apply fade in effect here, and I want to play again. You can see a nice fade in effect applied here. Now I want to mute next couple of clips because the clips add only wind noise. So I mute the audio. Now I want to add some color correction. So I go to window menu and activate adjustment panel. Now the adjustment panel is appeared above the layers panel, and I select this first clip. Click this curve adjustment button. Here I click auto. Now the automatically adjustment is applied, and I come to hue and saturation. Here I increase blue value and I decrease all other colors. Now double click on third clip. Now I drag playhead to that position and I want to apply curves again, and I want to pull it down little bit. Okay. Now I want to go to fourth clip. See it, this is afternoon shootout video. I want to apply curves, so I go to curves and click it, and I want to apply auto adjustment. Click auto. The curves applied automatically, brightness and contrast. It looks morning now. Now the clip looks very good. Now I come to at the hint. Now I want to apply filters here, so I double click on it. Now the clip is selected. I select this curves adjustment. Here I click this hand icon, and you can increase the dark area to brighter, and the brighter area is dark. You can see the changes. The darker area is brighten and the brighter area is darken. Okay, it is nice to see. Thank you for watching. I will meet you the next lesson. Thank you.